Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are checking into the Hampton Inn Nature Trail in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we are in a queen suite with a handicapped assisted bath. So let's give this a check out and see how it goes. So here we go. So first, as you come into the room, got a little living room area with a TV, microwave, and there is a refrigerator, and right there. So, and you got our middle section going over to the bedroom with the bathroom, which is fully stocked in here. Really nice. And there's the bathtub with the handlebar. At least I ordered a handicap-assisted, so I'm thinking that's what they were talking about. I wasn't really sure. Could be just a regular queen suite for all I know. But I think all these have like the regular shower. So, all right, and here's the two queen beds, and you got the TV with just little storage areas down here. So, and the little things for your luggage down there. And we got a little balcony. Now let's open up this balcony, give it a check. Nice balcony. And of course there's a little construction on the back, which I'm not surprised with. Well, I guess they're getting ready to build another hotel back here. So down below here, as you can see, is the hot tub and the pool. That's on the floor down below. So, all right. So, I really like this hotel. So, here's the room. So, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this room. And again, this is the Hampton Inn Nature Trail in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So really nice hotel to stay at. Well guys, I'm gonna head out here and enjoy my stay in Gatlinburg, and this will probably be posted after my stay is over and I'm back home, which is usually how I do these hotel tours. But all right guys, well, you guys enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you on the next video.